So, bago lang minaman og tanaw sa Mary Poppins. And
Not there!
1 to 10, pila rate ninyo? I mean, how much is your how much? How old is your rate?
It's really so entertaining, so I give it a 10.
10?
Yes!
Ikaw,
Because no, 9.
why?
I think they lack the... sorry.
You're a missus. 1 to 10. 10 the greatest. Pila rate nimo? 7?
Mine's 10 because it's so nice.
10?
Yeah, it's entertaining for them.
Okay, Bryce. Huh?
But you're not playing.
Why do you like it? Why do you like it so much?
Because of the musical layout.
Okay, let's have the ratings of the adults. Let's have the ratings. Sige na, honest ha.
9.99 because nobody's perfect.
9.99? Ha? So, perfect ganahan mo?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, do you want to know my rating?
You, how about you?
Let's talk about Ma'am Rain. Ma'am Rain, how much is your rating, Ma'am Rain? 12? 12? Oh my God. Listen, everyone, listen to our rating. Listen to our rating. Babe, what is our rating, babe?
Ako, 6.
No, my rating is 2. Why? Why? Because I slept.
Yeah.
And then what do you mean?
Over na kayong one kanta, like, gagmay lang kayo lang. Dili na ako mag-one.
Lagi. Na magkuan ra kay magtunol ra gani og kuan kay.
Kanta na rin mo kaon.
Magtunol ra gani og umbrella kay mukanta na dayon.
Yeah.
Tanan na lang buhaton pa kay mukanta na dayon. Nihilak lang gani ang papa mukanta na des tanan. Pag-ana na nadaot lang gani ang ligid kay mukanta na din about sa ligid. Medyo dili siguro to pang amo siguro
Yeah.
pero sa mga bata gwapo ganahan daw sila.
Taas akong expectation.
So tanaw na mo kung ganahan mo nalingaw kung nalingaw man daw sila so majority sa amo nalingaw man. Pero ako nakatulog yung ganito ang isa kay unsa man ni ay. Oh. I don't know nganong ingato ang nahitabo. So mga Megs, kablo na mo sa among rating ha. Tulo ka facts. Number 1, manglupad sila sa iliwit. Katawan, so meaning wrong ba na? Number 2, makita ninyo ang original nga Mary Poppins. And number 3, ang ilang kontra gyud kay twins. Twins ang ilang kontra. Asa man nato ang kaan. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Subscribe.